Let's go to our next game. So this one's called Red Flags. We will be giving you 3 situations. In each situation, there are 2 things that are going well and one that's not so great.
Okay.
So totally 9 statements we'll be telling you.
Okay.
And you need to look at all 3 situations and choose one of them.
Okay.
So situation 1 is Kokos Natural is now selling over 500 products. Your presence has reached 15 countries, but your latest batch of coconut sugar was wasted due to a supply chain problem. Situation 2 is your team power is now 500 employees. You have a new business idea that you're very excited about, but your co-founder has to leave the business for personal reasons.
Okay.
Situation 3, a large FMCG brand has made an offer to acquire you. Your products are changing people's health massively for the better, but your excitement to go to work has reduced lately.
Oh.
So yeah, you can refer to all of them.
I have a clear winner if I was on your place.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I would actually pick the third one.
Interesting.
Really?
Because I have gone through phases where my excitement of work has reduced considerably, specifically this past year. But like I just mentioned, I still did not stop working. I think there is something inside my fiber which sort of, I kind of have this thing where whatever hurdles or wherever, when as as a very classic statement, like when you fall down you get up, that kind of a situation. I think that this is something that is, I know I can do it again. It's happened in my life, so I can do it again. And having the other 2 situations would actually be a definite motivation factor for me. The good situations, that would be a good factor for me.
Interesting. I thought you might have picked situation 1.
I could
Yeah,
have.
that
I
was
could have.
my-
That was my second choice.
That was my
That was
first.
actually the second one was out of,
Yeah.
it was not possible. But the first and the third situation was something that I was battling in, because of, again, the first situation was again amazing. The first 2 are really good. And the third one would be like, it's very fixable and it's something
Yeah.
that you can
I feel like
absolutely do very
the
easily.
scale that you are in
Yeah,
situation
yeah.
1, the red flag wouldn't be that.
But I like the fact in situation 3 that the products are changing someone's health, because I think that this is something that I've struggled with, like the spreading education and awareness.
Yeah.
So if I get that, over the moon.
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.